Definitely have gone some rounds with this one. If any of you watched any of my videos, you've seen this particular air conditioner in quite a few videos. It's the capacitor eater. Strikes again, but this time wasn't quite as hungry as
Welcome back to Kung Fu
previously.
Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon
Right at the subscribe button.
and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Alright, got an AC down. This has been my notorious problem unit. Not sure what's going on. The compressor eater. The capacitor. It has actually behaved for quite some time. It's been about 5 months since I've had any problem with it. Looking it up, it's been about 3 months. Just went out, so let's see what's going on. This one just seems to go. I mean, I checked the amp draw, I checked everything. Everything checks out good at the time that I repaired it. So, looking it up while editing this video. Are you excited yet? That was about 3 months ago. Charge the capacitor. Capacitor holds charging it even after the power is disconnected, so I'll just charge that. Now let's take a look and see. Capacitor is really hot. Should be a 45 on there. All the wiring looks okay. Pressure's hot. Here's a new compressor. Newer compressor. It's probably about 1.5 to 2 years old. Wire leads all look okay. Oh, there's one. Bad one right there. Alright. So, see, that's what happened. We lost the wire lead. Put some cold water on the compressor. I can check the microfarad on the unit as well. Hopefully it's not too high. Let's see. Should have a new compressor lead for that. Yep. Nice. And we'll check that capacitor as well. I'll go ahead and repair up this wire lead. Wire strippers. About 4:30. Trying to get out of here by 5. Let's see how it goes. This one right here. The lead was a little weak. Like was our yellow start wire. And if that's the case, then I won't even have to take off. I can cut this back little section away from our wheel. A good portion of the wire. before I make sure I don't lose any strands. Looks good there. But before I connect that, I can disconnect the one start wire, one lead from the start wire, from a hard start kit. The start wire will already be disconnected. And we can test this capacitor up here just to make sure that the wire is disconnected, the start wire. So let's see if we have a 35. Since this was the trouble unit. I found a, oh yeah, 44.6 is good. Alright. Pretty sure that was good. And I'll go ahead and test the 5 as well. Discharge that. .83 is good. All right. Next hard start. Okay. And so now, so what I had found on this one that was eating the capacitors was a bad hard start kit. And so once I changed out that bad hard start kit, the unit stopped eating capacitors. Like today, I just wanted to floss on the yellow wire. You know. Here we go. We take this out. When you squeeze these down, you just want to avoid messing up the left side of the deal. So you want to go, middle to the end when you do the crimp. Here's the lead. So I've had a few of these fail, but now we're in there strong, like both sides. Now we'll take our shrink wrap tubing, pull that up and over. Uh-oh. I think we had a different lighter here. Like that. Here it is. Alright. Throw away the bad lighter there. Okay. There we go. Shrink it on both sides. Strong connection. Okay. Good. Now I can connect it underneath there. These we come up and in. Make sure our other connections are good and they're sound and solid. So this one, it's a little stake-on connector. Perfect. Okay. Now I just need to move that out a little way so I can get the cover in here. There we go. There we go. All right, we're ready to run. Back in the mix. Still a little hot on the compressor. I'm going to pour a little more cold water. Hopefully it's cooled down enough. The compressor, the refrigerant will act to cool it once it's cooled enough, but here we go. Plug the disconnect in. We'll test it out. There it goes. Yeah. All right. So now the refrigerant will cool that down, nice and cold. There we go. Reading. Where we're at. Going with the red volts AC. Only one wire at a time when testing the. Oh, we're on volts. We want amps AC. 12 to 13 amps. That's good. Here's on the black wire. Again, only one wire at a time. 13 amps. And on the start wire, 6, 7 amps. Everything looks good. Back in the mix. Nice and cold. All right. Survived another day. The compressor, the capacitor eater. It actually, I guess it wasn't hungry today. Maybe need a capacitor. It ate a wire instead. Kicked its teeth on the wire. Alright. Done deal. Put the steel back together. A nice view of the Palm Springs scenery. Nice day. Stay cool out there. Stay safe. This one, I had to fix the fan baffle the other day as I was walking by. Like that over there. Like it's all working good. Nice. Another day, another 50 cents. Done deal. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Hope you liked the video and subscribe to get the latest content. New videos posted often.
Cells of your flesh, are you chained by the fear of death? Are you trapped by the stone of yesterday's sin? Look unto Jesus, he rose from the grave after the sins of the world were placed on his back. He offered up himself a living sacrifice. Look to the cross, behold God's Lamb, yeah. Said it is finished. Stone he has rolled it away. Son of man came to seek and save that which was lost. He came to show sinners the way out through his cross. Repent and believe and be born again. Ask and receive as God does send the Spirit of truth into your heart, cleansing your conscience, giving you a clean start. You are in a battle, surrounded by the angels at war. Do you hear the knocking?